Good afternoon students. Last class I taught you properties of 2D shapes. Today we will see plane surface, curved surface. Okay, see here first topic plane surface. See mom, surface of few objects like wall, floors, papers and top of a table or flat. Okay. See ma, surfaces of few objects like walls. Surfaces means what? Tamil meaning is மேற்பரப்பு. Okay. Um, objects like walls. Okay, wall means you know very well. Okay, சுவர். Next floors, தரை. Next papers and top of a table. Okay, table. Everything you touch means everything that surface is what? Flat. Flat means samadalam. Okay, everything flat. Okay, flat means what ma? Every sides we have equal. Okay, not up and downs. Okay, flat means every places are equal. Okay, next flat surfaces are otherwise called as plane surfaces or planes. Okay, that flat surfaces is called what? Plane surface, or simply we can say planes. Okay, cubes and cuboids have flat surface. Okay, cubes and cuboids every faces are what mom? Flat surface. Okay. See ma, I am taking one cuboid shape object. Okay, all the sides you can touch means that is what? Flat. This is called flat. Okay, all the sides equal. Okay, so this is flat. Now this side also you touch means this one also flat. So only cube and see here cube and cuboid have flat surface. Okay, next one, see here this table, next blackboard, next this suitcase, everything, and this book. Okay, everything you can touch means that is a flat surface. Okay, next one is a curved surface. See here surfaces of few objects such as ball, flower vase, pot or curved. Okay, see we can touch the ball means that is flat. No, that is what? Curved. Okay, அப்படியே ஃபுல்லா எப்படி இருக்கும்? வளைஞ்சிருக்கும். Okay ma'am, so that one only called curved surface. Okay, so ball, flower vase, pot, everything is what? Curved surface. Okay, வளைஞ்சி இருக்கும். So only that is called curved. So cone, cylinder, sphere have curved surface. Okay ma'am. See here we have the examples, this ball, carrot, this thread, next one this pot, next this one, and this lemon, everything has curved surface. Okay, next page number 7 you have the activity, draw all 2D shapes in the given dot grid. One is done for you. A geoboard is the mathematical manipulative board. Okay, a geoboard is the mathematical manipulative board. Okay, that geoboard using we can create lot of shapes. Okay mom, now listen, you have one activity, this dot using we can create 2D shapes. Okay, only straight line 2D shapes only draw here. For example, square, next this rectangle, after you can draw the triangle. Okay, okay ma, so scale use and you can neatly draw the pictures. Okay, so here only you can use what? Straight line pictures. Okay, square, rectangle, triangle, again you draw square, rectangle, triangle. Okay, next join the dots in grid using curved lines. Here what you use? Curved lines to make designs of your choice. One is done for you. See here, only here draw what shape ma? Curved lines. Okay, see here, see this design we are using the curved line. Okay, here also curved line, this circle also curved line. Okay, so here only you use curved line after you make a designs. Here you only use straight line. Okay, for example here you can draw this kind of shapes. Okay, so curved line, this one also curved line, here curved line, here curved line. Okay, you can draw neatly. Okay, so curved lines use and you draw any designs. Okay ma, if you have book, complete this activity. Okay, next for your activity, draw any 5 shapes and put a tick in the given boxes to indicate the types of lines found in them. Okay, for example, one picture given, what is this? Look like a cloud. Okay, so this cloud designed by what line? Curved line or straight line? Observe this picture, what is this? Straight line. So what is this ma? Curved line. Okay, so put a column here, tick mark. Okay, so put a tick mark in curved line section. Okay, next you can draw any pictures after you write that one straight line or curved line. Okay. See ma, I am drawing some pictures here. Second one is a triangle. Okay, so triangle, observe this. What is this? Curved line or straight line? Triangle has straight line. So you put a tick mark here. Next, see this 8. Everything is a curved line. Okay, so what you write, what you put a tick mark? Curved line column, you put a tick mark. Next, this star. Okay, everything is what? Straight line. See, straightly draw means that is straight line. This one curved line. Okay ma'am, so this star made up of straight lines. Next, see this hearting symbol, that is curved line or straight line, that is curved line. So put a tick mark here. Next, this ball. Okay, using this ball we are using the curved line. Okay, ball draw means we are using the curved line. So what you write here, put a tick mark. Okay ma'am, this one very easy. Not only this shape, you can draw any shapes after you put a tick mark. Okay ma'am, neatly draw this page. See ma, next put a tick mark in the appropriate column. Okay, next for also for your practice, see here some shapes given. Here plane surface, curved surface, plane surface and curved surface. Okay, see first picture, these pictures only has plane surface means you put tick mark here. Otherwise only it has curved surface means put a tick mark here. Otherwise a picture has both plane and curved surface means put a tick mark here. Okay, for example, see here, what is this? Cube. Okay, all the sides we have square and box like means what is this? Cube. Okay, see, observe the pages, faces, everything is what? Plane surface. Plane. See here, everything, all the sides we have the plane surface. Okay, so put a tick mark here. Okay ma, next one cuboid. Okay, cuboid, all the sides we have a plane surface. Okay, so put a tick mark here. Next, observe the cylinder. Okay, see here, closely watch ma, upside touch means we can feel the plane surface. Next, this body portion touch means it is a curved. Okay, so this side, this everything is what? Plane and also curved. Okay, so both also coming in this picture. Okay, so plane and curved surface both also coming, so put a tick mark here. Okay, next, what is this? Sphere. Okay, not a circle. What is this? Sphere. Okay, so sphere touch means everything it is a curved surface, not plane surface. Okay, so put a tick mark here. Next one, this cone. Okay, closely observe. See here, this bottom is a circle. Okay, this bottom is a circle. So circle touch means you feel it, it is a plane. Okay, after this body portion upside you touch means that is curve. Okay, so in this cone we have two surfaces. One is plane. See here, plane surface, and upper portion is a curved surface. So both also. So put a tick mark here. Okay ma. So closely observe this one after you write the answer. Okay ma. Next, see ma, construction of 3D shapes. Okay, how to draw the 3D shapes, everything. Now let us see. See, look at the things around you. Identify the shapes of the objects. Observe the dimensions of these objects. Okay, see here we have lot of objects. This one cola tin, that is kind of a drink. Okay, cool drinks. Next, lemon soda. Next one, what is this? Apple. Next one, cube shape object. Next, ball. Here also one ball. Next one, silver pot. After here tomato, after dice. Okay, everything is what ma? 3D shapes. Okay, this one look like cube, this one sphere, these two are cylinder, this one also cube, this one sphere, this one cylinder, these two are sphere. Okay, so these are the 3D shapes examples. Okay ma. See the next page, you have the 3D objects. See 3D shapes, cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere, cone, and one more thing is a pyramid. Okay, pyramid also one kind of 3D shape. Okay, see here, solid shapes have three dimensions, namely length, breadth and height. Okay, length, breadth and height. Three characteristics available means that is 3D shape. These are shortly called 3D shapes. Okay, 3D means what ma? D for dimension. Okay, what are the dimensions? Dimensions are we called characteristics. Okay, so what is that? Length, breadth and height. These dimensions have means that is called 3D shape. Okay, D for dimension. Okay, see next. A cube is a solid shape made of squares. Okay, we know that cube is a solid things and it is made of squares. In a cube we have 6 squares. Okay, it has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Already you know this one. Okay. See ma, now I have one box. It is look like a what? Cube. Okay, see here all the sides we have the square shapes. Okay, square shapes வந்து box மாதிரி இருந்தா அது பேர் என்னது cube. Okay, see all the sides we have square in shape. Okay ma, see here a cube is a solid shape. Okay, solid means நம்ம தொட்டு பார்க்கக்கூடிய எல்லாமே solid shapes தான். Okay, made up of squares. Okay, so எல்லா சைடும் என்னவா இருக்கு இதில் ஸ்கொயர்ஸாக இருக்கும். ஓகேமா, நெக்ஸ்ட் it has 6 faces. See here 1 மேலையும் கீழையும் 2 face. So 1 2 after left and right. So 3 4 next front and back. So totally 6. Okay ma, see how many faces? 6 faces. See மேலே கீழே லெஃப்டில் ரைட்டில் அப்புறம் முன்னாடி பின்னாடி. So totally how many faces? 6 faces. Okay, see 1 2 3 4 after 5 next this back side 6 faces. Okay ma, next 12 edges. How many edges? 12 edges. See here this is called edge. Okay, see 1 after 2 3 4. Okay, after this one 5 6 next this one 7 after 8. Okay, after bottom. Okay, here also 9 10 11 12 this side. Okay, so totally how many edges? 12 edges and 8 vertices. Okay, see here இந்த மூளை என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? vertices. Okay, see vertex எல்லாமே சேர்த்தா vertices. See 1 2 3 4 மேலே 4 அடுத்து கீழே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எத்தனை இருக்குது? 4. So 5 6 7 8. So 8 vertices. ஓகேம்மா, நம்ம ஸ்கொயரில் என்ன பார்த்துருப்போம்? 4 sides 4 corners அந்த மாதிரி பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா? ஸோ அதே மாதிரி க்யூப் ஆல்சோ க்யூப்லேயும் நம்ம கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ என்னென்ன? 6 faces. ஓகே, ஸோ 6 sides. Faces is called sides. Next 12 edges. Okay, this line is called what? Edge. Okay, இந்த விளிம்பு தான் நம்ம edgeன்னு சொல்கிறோம். Next 8 vertices in the corner. Okay, so how many vertices? 8 vertices. Okay, are you understood? Again this one called 3D shape. Why 3D shape? See இதில் என்ன இருக்குது? லென்த் இருக்குது, நீளம் இருக்குது, அடுத்து அகலம் இருக்குது, அடுத்து உயரமாகவும் இருக்குது. ஸோ ஹைட் ஆல்சோ அவைலபிள். ஓகே, சி இங்கே நான் ஏற்கனவே சொல்லியிருக்கேன் இல்லையா? லென்த் பிரெத் அண்டு ஹைட்டு. ஓகே, லென்த் இருக்குது, நீளமாகவும் இருக்குது, இந்த பாக்ஸ் அகலமாகவும் இருக்குது, அடுத்து ஹைட்டாகவும் இருக்குது. ஓகே, ஸோ 3 கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக்ஸ் இருக்கனால இதை என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? 3D ஷேப். ஓகேம்மா. Next one, a cuboid is a solid shape. Cuboid also we can touch that one. So that is a solid shape made for rectangles. Okay, it has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Okay, see this is look like a cuboid. இதில் எல்லாமே என்னவா இருக்குது? ஸ்கொயராக இருக்குது. எல்லா ஃபேஸஸும் ஸ்கொயராக இருக்குது. Cuboid means all the faces are rectangle. See the upper face, everything rectangle. Next front side rectangle shape, back side rectangle shape, here also rectangle. Okay, so a cuboid is a solid shape made for rectangles, made of rectangles. It has 6 faces. This one also has how many faces? 6 faces. See front and back. So 2 after left and right. So here 2, next this one. Okay, top and bottom. So totally how many faces? 6 faces. See here this front side, after this back side, so 2. Okay, after up and down, so 2. Next left and right, so 2. So totally how many faces? 6 faces. 1 2 3 4 5. Next down, so totally 6 faces. Next 12 edges. Okay, see here, this is called edge. 1 2 3 4. Okay, next this side 5, here 6, here 7, this one 8. Okay, now down also. Okay, 8 after 9 10 11 12. Okay ma, so totally how many edges? 12 edges. Next 8 vertices. This corner is called vertices. See 1 2 3 4. Okay, after down also, see here 5 6 7 8. Okay, so totally how many vertices? 8 vertices. Okay, cube and cuboid both also same faces, same edges, same vertices. Here square, it is made up of square, cuboid made up of rectangles. That's all. Next, a sphere is a solid shape made of circles. Okay, sphere is look like what? Circle. Okay, so sphere is a solid shape and made of circles. It has one faces. Okay, ஒரே ஒரு face தான் இருக்கும். That is curved face. Okay, no edges and no vertices. Okay ma, that is curved surface. So வளைஞ்சிருக்கனால அதுக்கு என்ன இருக்காது? எட்ஜும் இருக்காது, verticesம் இருக்காது. Okay ma, so it has one faces, no edges and no vertex. Okay. See more, next how to draw the 3D shapes. Now let us see. Okay, first one cube, cuboid, cone. Okay, these everything how to draw. Now let us see. See first one cube. So cube means we have 6 square faces. So what you do? First neatly draw one square. Okay, first neatly draw one square. After keep one center point. Okay, scale user, first you draw one square. After keep one center point. This center point from you draw one vertical line. Again one horizontal line. Okay. These two lines join and we create again one square. Okay. See, bottom one square and upper side you have one square. Okay. Now what you do? Join the corner. This two square get after you join this corner. Okay. Again this corner. Next this corner. This. So totally 4 corners join means you will get one cube. Okay, this is the procedure how to draw the cube. Next one cuboid. Okay, so cuboid means we have 6 rectangle faces. Okay ma, so first neatly draw one rectangle. Okay, scale use and neatly draw one rectangle. After again you keep one center point. Now write one vertical line, again one horizontal line. This two lines join and again you create one rectangle. Okay, now you will get what? 2 rectangles. Okay, now join the corner. 1 2 3 4. This 4 corners join means you will get one cuboid. Okay, next one cone. Okay, cone is very easy. First draw one slanting line, again one slanting line. Next here one circle line. Okay, it means you will get one cone. Okay ma, and next one cylinder. Okay, how to draw the cylinder? Listen, one vertical line, again one vertical line. Okay, so 2 lines also draw after. Again upper side you draw one circle. After lower side also you draw one circle. Okay, so look like a ellipse this one. Okay ma, so you will get one cylinder. Next one sphere. How to draw the sphere? Very easy. Draw one circle. After inside you give the shade. Okay, neatly you give the shade. So you will get one sphere. Okay, next pyramid. Okay, how to draw the pyramid? Very easy. Draw one triangle. Neatly draw one equilateral triangle. After keep one center point. Now one vertical line. After this slanting line, again one slanting line. Okay, it is look like a pyramid. Okay mom, so these 6 things you properly draw it in your note. Okay, ma, that's all the class. Today homework is this page. Okay, put a tick mark. Okay, I send this photo. You properly draw in your note after you write this one. Okay, this one today homework. After how to draw the 3D shapes. This 6 things you draw. Okay, these 2 things are your homework. Okay, ma, thank you. Next class we will see.